Welcome to this tutorial on why use Axie Infinity Ronin bridge. A comprehensive guide to understanding the benefits and functionality of this bridge. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game that utilizes the Ronin bridge to facilitate seamless transactions between different blockchain networks. First, let's understand what the Ronin bridge is. The Ronin bridge is a sidechain that allows users to transfer assets from the Ethereum mainnet to the Ronin network, which is a custom-built blockchain designed specifically for Axie Infinity. This bridge enables faster and cheaper transactions, making it an attractive option for players. Using the Ronin bridge offers several benefits, including faster transaction times and lower fees compared to the Ethereum mainnet. This is because the Ronin network is designed to process transactions more efficiently, reducing congestion and costs. Additionally, the Ronin bridge provides a more secure experience, as it utilizes a proof of authority consensus algorithm, which is more resistant to 51% attacks. To use the Ronin bridge, you will need to create a Ronin wallet, which can be done by downloading the Ronin wallet application or by accessing it through the Axie Infinity website. Once you have created your wallet, you can deposit your assets from the Ethereum mainnet to the Ronin network using the bridge. This process typically takes a few minutes to complete, and you will receive your assets in your Ronin wallet. Best practices for using the Ronin bridge include ensuring that you have sufficient funds in your Ethereum wallet to cover the transaction fees, and double-checking the recipient address to avoid any errors. It is also important to note that the Ronin bridge is a one-way bridge, meaning that assets can only be transferred from the Ethereum mainnet to the Ronin network, and not the other way around. In conclusion, the Axie Infinity Ronin bridge is a valuable tool for players, offering faster and cheaper transactions, as well as enhanced security. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and adhering to best practices, you can take advantage of the benefits offered by the Ronin bridge and improve your overall gaming experience.